Using the OnePlus 15R in everyday life feels like having a performance-focused flagship-tier phone with exceptional battery endurance at your fingertips. Its 7,400 mAh battery consistently delivers 2 to 3 days of real-world use, with mixed tasks from social apps and calls to gaming, making range anxiety almost non-existent for most users. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor keeps the experience smooth and responsive whether you're gaming at high frame rates or juggling multiple apps, and the 6.83-inch AMOLED display with up to a 165Hz refresh rate enhances fluidity and general usability. Oxygen OS 16 on the 15R blends clean design with useful customizations and AI-powered tools that feel intuitive and polished over time. On the flip side, camera performance, especially in low light, and the lack of wireless charging are noticeable compromises at this price point, and some UI elements, like animations, can feel slower or less refined than on previous OnePlus models. Overall, the 15R experience is dominated by long battery life and reliable speed, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize everyday endurance and performance over camera versatility or premium extras.